me say me see me how many aka mo to more than 8-10 cracks we buy our AM you know okay say about 20 because what we about that there we buy our so to the need go to we buy our ever say we be out to because out to you.
Okay, yo, Sadat, and Nami Jao, Sabre, or more salty, a ballot sheet, so, but more than a fat when you ADH, BBNia, ye Baba, Honor Sabre, Menya, Isaac, Ewa, or Kai. Hello, Isaac. Isaac, what's the make a memoir cover? Oh, okay, bushia for Yuguswa a pursue Isaac a home man. This is a breed dear, Yensem Chofono. Baby, I bututu said ye Akosia Sapon, editor when him some month for say, or more matorium see a quack relax it. May I United Television, yet see it Peace FM, a week, and ye stations Nina, any affiliates Nina, social media, no for phone, Uko YouTube, by your streaming live or Facebook or Honum, DSTV. So, we see in America for UK for Yasem. Isaac, what's the maker? Okay, Isaac, Okankwe, Ediana Koso, Hosabia.
Okay, Sabre me Okankwe Central Constituency and Gospel Ministry Abeka. I have say Sabre Omato Abaniri.
Okay, Sabre me Okankwe Central Constituency and Gospel Ministry Abeka. I have say Sabre Omato Abaniri. Miss me I can say Sorting Air Koso na counting no edi super pepper. Miss me I can say lecture officers today. Sabre Sorting no Omewe presidential no Omo Ebe no my accounting. Said Ebe you bet me who said esi ekwe no pulling agents ni nyina e wa say ya obia any ADH there eko returning officer no hwe na wetimi am account no etimi akoso one ne nkrofo no kasa so mo metimi hu say ya che MPP presidential any ya che NDC presidential mu na afei amo mu die che no so ya cheche mu pepepe ohwa ebi de mintimi ebi de ba ko ebi de mienu ba so far ne de metimi akasa dodo na do so no NDC ne MPP said the presidential no esitie no presiding officer no any various polling agents no din common said e be accounting no e be sha say but nipa wa ha say a mo hwe say bibia betimi akoso boko electoral officers no so hwe say accounting no betimi akoso eti minia presiding officer no enche and as returning officer no enche obema accounting no etimi akoso but parliamentary ni there omunya MBA ano said the omo hwehwe sitie no omudi kan aye presidential no omu wia no my parliamentary eti abeka junction no Kaikre Central Constituency I say no ade a betimi aka say sisi ade asundwe kwa na wa say enche returning officer no be county na say omo check RSA papers no bibia correct na omo etimi ehu say the county no ebesi akọ but me the many ehwema me na ba metimi aka say abane de omato wa ha say ne de omo etimi ato panti omo sha say with the presidential ballot boxes and omo sha say with the presidential ballot boxes no eti me na metimi aka say Sabre de wa say hwe say the account no ebetimi esi akọ na ye bia abato no say the ehihye no beti akọ no ye de abre ya hwefo no ye tiefo nti Okankwe Central say de me na metimi aka say council no asha say amanfo wa say omoni edi ekire yie pa say de omo hwe say bibia enkobone e wa ha say.
Okay, Isaac, my share political parties no or more representatives around na say na esitie obia ye calm or more share and a binomo she jam binomo kasa say na environment in it. Hello, Isaac. Okay, me patrol me te won kapa wadaroma.
Yo, tell na me kalo oba say abia e da dey various polling agents now say
Yo, said an American Oba say Abibia Edadin, various polling agents in our Hasea or more air share say counting ebetimi akosuye. Now me say police officer was say instructor say omo making sure say dey no betimi abiemu ye na amanfo etimi hu said e be ya obia enka say ye sisina na say bibi ekoso nani enje ho. Eti polling agents dey omo fe omani pa say counting no omo he say dey besi akọ bi kra aben table na omo ejira ho omo he say counting no bibi emfa boni betimi akasa so far there aha very calm accounting no asha say Okaikwe Central ha say
okay ene na meja wo no wakoso ade wani edi akire na won so ne kan mu no amfa wani so na yewie so a na jawadawo ma ode ho amane asan aboye Mida Sapa Busia for me sign Emo Aquabio Aba a studio Sabre a Yamini Aba Amenya Kum Ewokumase. Ama what's a car Memawajo?
So now what to say?
Yamia do me when your pa and time for dear. Yami oh ha boko yet Bolivia. It is Sabre Kumase and he fapote and a Wujina.
The Tia offering from constituency.
Okay.
Me were offering from police station. I had no pooling center. Me and waha na five boy no na nyame adum obia ni tinom ti afei eno mo assorting yo ma omahwie nkrata no egu epono so ya omo ahyase sorti eyiyi amanfo aba wo mato no baabi a ekọ ene baabi a ekọ enti se wo hwe se na esi kọ na papers no na egu ho no mo no a omo sorti no na sesia no eyade a parliamentary no no mashase a omo sorti omo yiyi ansakra na omo aba bekan na yebedu hanom no na dede kakra ewa ha ni nyina ne se na eye mentimi ho asekitso bi ne course wo ba baabi a megina sese ya machi hanom no police stations mienu ene wa anti presiding officer baako o shase no nanka opese o ma aha information kakra na wa ma aha de kakra but na ne amanfo party agents ne kan se be mo ma ye confused enti onto ne bo na onye baako wie owie a wa ye baako na no na entiase enhyeda nya adwuma fitiase no enti na ma mentime ho ase ababa sese ya de bibia toto di entiase aye adwuma omanfo wa ne nyina no obia ye din ya wo hwehwe so mo be sorti be wie na mo be kenkan na afi ye ho ensunsuanso a ebe free mo aba se obisame a enne ya fa kumasi bebre na voter turnout no ewo form a yetietie nso na kyese enye kumase nko akoye Ghana nyina enti sese ade ye wo ha a ye wo atwenyem na wo hwɛ se ne ekɔ na omuguso sorte papers no na omuwi ballot papers no o makenkan ama ye hu mebɔ me homode se me ne omanfo a ebeto aba ejina ha no ebi won ma aye krado se obekasa ebedi nkomo ebisa wo mo se ebi a etisen ohene na me ne woni nkomo kakra me mo akwa baba United Television so if I try na wakasa de ede amame What's waba?
Matumaba.
What's on a brebe?
Between 7 o'clock, Namatuaba.
Anopano. Now, just on an first person, and
I may toss of Ted.
Okay, ain't he say our Bahay, what by a day?
May Baba share. Or Mokin kind, may Baba share say, I quite buffer so higher I can carry my Bibia, I am Bia, Nantia say, I'm Bibia, who say, Bibia, I don't Bia, I come, I'm Bia.
Okay, Sausha and Nessani Abatson, a coya, netwo, and when she say, Bambosem, Usu Bibia, a coye.
Me ba said, na anapano car, and no more cranaka, a bay, but she said, a chile, na Bibia a day, Ubian, Ubian, Bia, Bibia, coye, amu, amaye, Nina, Jina, and Kobibia, Yawaha.
Okase bibi kakra chiremwe
no satam no na tako kakra pese na eba but anye mpanufo bai hatam na police fo aba so anu nti bibia nsibio akopinta ma ayeyi
yedase another person ewa ha obepese ye no so bedi nkomo tiawa na afe yeje mama ona ya twen se omobekenkan ebewie eja ebrebe na woto waba na wotu wie ye no adenti na wasan aba ha
acho metoma ba 8 o'clock itu wie mi kofie Ebo 5 in Masaba, be hese de yesi akenka no. Me hu de ekoso bia nti na Masaba.
Ya da se. Se ya sha se a ye kenkan we eye parliamentary no na wonom asha se. Enti MPP parliamentary candidate a ogina mu ama oforikrom abatom pesua so de na wo mo asha se a omo kenkan yi. Enti ubusa ya se ade omo asha se kenkan ti e beji information nyina na every pem no ye besan aba.
Yo yadase ama nyako sabre o forikrom ewo asante mantemu na yete ne nka no ama moni adwuma pasabe ye ba Dennis Obin eho no mo owo botiano Dennis otime nka mema wajo Hello Dennis. Okay, me too. Utabe botiano sign na enyamesi ko ho no mo.
Tiana fan be tisambe de bia e boko e botiano bia ensi. Lebe ewem ho no no be bi we fe ho St. Catholic Church. E ho na ka branch e bia o sina na niye ne ya. Anko pese o na dan fo bi e ko jan e wo adaka ni ana bambofo ne BC commissioner wa haka so yenye ne sa intino aka mwantu atibi bana so mo hwema be bia so di. Tetia de me wo Methodist Senior High School. I had the main policing center. They said almost of the sort of man who be a nene. Now, the other one say, you can't know that's about I say no matter that market say. Now, it do the kind of son. Look about the do I say no man, I say, you know, the few mono or mamma Trabano, they do sort of the Brina Ababe. But I wish our home for some brushes, then ya back any kind of the consul friend and I dare cause was saying the BI being able to call and say.
Nipa ma bodom pema o ma be ngu ehonom no o mo aye calm o ma ye du no mo tie ana se wo hye the way o mo dini na ne city na o timi se o mo expect se be kwama certain political party bi
Oshama, Obiani, Obiani favorite, so many dear say, Fine, Opana, kind, I say the other son, can I say the hour found to the daddy, any or met young so, Dan Elcoso, and say, or many dimpa, Papa, the Nasa Mamma, and any woman. And so, only a calm moment, and yet confusing the other, just say, or my very, very ugly. Almost so moving, say, Uncle E, dear Uncle B, maybe Uncle D, baby.
Eba ne bambo mu so a bambo adwuma yefo no so ejina ho no mo hye de ekoso no anase o mo fi ho
akakoye police center ni no bambo penifo ha bebiri obodo so ha kasa ntene ne wontini endi samboni bia o ha nse.
Okay, yo bani si beja o ha sei da wakoso ade wani edi echi ebesan aba wakachi bio. Yo meda sepa Benis Obin ewo eye botiano eno de honso amanebo abo yesisi sabe yeko Alhaji Muni Yaro eho owo dome kwabenya Alhaji mema wajo. Hello Alhaji. Okay, yo me pacho fa eye dome kwabenya eho no mama ne bo eboye voting na be ye anase omuguso a omoto abasai ne sitie.
Sisi ameni wakati nijina hachu Presby School muho. Na hamna ye 4 police stations. 412, 413, 414, 415. Any 416, 5. Omugina jabatu na bewi meni wakati wamo sorti presidential ni sisia na ahano de atini say police stations na wo different places na wo move via yedin na be call atomic police station football park bi ho na wo mudi na be kwa buma yibuhu ni di first ni di second ni di third na di na me no ka say de ni gina have to praise because here wo mo yes sorting na so na ka say haya boko gidigidi bia ni ha agent omo hina obi ati no ho ase before e be box no so no omo ya yi na omo di bibia kire asan yi be box no so omo start omo eye sort out nti ye free ha me de me free sisi am no ka say ye pe na me call another police station so ma ko se ne okoti ansa yi wi ya kwa kuhia mu atomic park no so na yɛ de ni na bo na yɛ de yɛ eba no atu achiefo
okay ni je se ho yɛ bɔkɔ na ne bɔkɔ mu no nipa dodo na so na apie aba currently ɛwɔ Presby school hɔ no ɔmo bɛhwɛ ne kan ni bia na sɛ ɔmo hɔ no ɛnɔɔso
ɔmo nɔɔso kakra bi awie kura me call rounds no na presiding officer no ka say who about to say that kwabenya area ha pa yenim say population no eso no ha no na ye low kra ntina ya adwen ni say na minim say be 3 to 4 no nkofo be ba ye lines ni na ye tia na net babero kasi ye nkofo kakra bi ni gina ha wo mo
okay yo Alhaji ye beja wo na wo de wani so e de achi de be fi ma baby anso no na wadaroma we yi asotire ebisafo Alhaji Muni Yaro na yete ne nka no wo do me kwabenya honom so one of the biggest constituencies in Ghana intini onfa ne India chepa de be fi ma baby anso yemfa enkame yashefo sabe chipsa wa homa no so esutifi north chipsa mesan ma wa adwo esamu akwa babio
many about me so and wasi
okay and upon ye twetwe nkomodi wani die chire twamfo yini ema ye sabe nunum abo apa ho sima aduasa nwotwe na chese nunum so wona no na abato no be wie but isi ema yenya ntiase se sabato no ekoso na se mu di kiu mu na se nunum abokra na omo be hwese mu amudi kiu mu no mo beto awie se ba no esutifi ho a ebi mo da so di kiu mu anaso mu nyina to ma ba awie
many about me da say momentia na ye ma ya hwefo ne yefo nyina akwa ba bi famla esitifi north ana hinkro eye Kenya ase sɛdeɛ mpani aka sɛ bia hwetwa aboa hɔ ne agya no anofa ne yɛhyɛ adwuma di ase yɛhyɛ aseɛ ɛde fi Kenya ase number 1 ɛyɛ CMB apro de me bo Kenya ase number 1 number 2 di ɛkɔbɔ ntɔtɔ so ma yɛfi dedu ɛde ka ho na masan bɛ hyɛ akenkan ase ɛwɔ CMB so ya me hyɛ ase so na me no ka sɛ obie ne hɔ odi ki mu ha ɛnɛ ɔmutumi to aba no ɔfɛ so pa na sɛdeɛ kan ne ne se to aba na nka CMB nanka ɛyɛ ɔmutuna police station ne pɛ nipa ne babu so no afi ɔmo yɛ ne maako mmiɛnsa nti ɔmo nya main CMB ɔmo nya A and B me no ka sɛ A4 na sisi ɔmo kenkan ɔmo presidential result na ne gye sɛ ɔmo wie yɛ no bibia yɛ bɔkɔ party for how bia mesi na yɛ chance ya hwɛ result so yɛ si ba ta okɔkrata no so a ɛyɛ MPP na edikan nti MPP ɛpɔden yɛto aba wie ne wanya results no maako ɛyɛ 126 ɛwɔ CMB ɛno ɛyɛ yɛ MPP ɛyɛ no okɔ ɛyɛ NDC a ɔmo so enya 140 yɛsɛ 140 ɛna ɔmo so enya wɔ hɔ yɛnua alankas enya ɛyɛ maako mmienu ɛwɔ City North ɛyɛ CMB ɛna yɛwura apalu ɛnso enya maako mmienu na ye nwanwa ne se omo makoto ase ne nya bi e de yewura land ne apalu se yewura land ne apalu nya e tutu no rejected e mako enan me no ka say afi na omo beti e box wa eno contain e parliamentary e resource no na se de titi ni oba yem party me nipa mi nipa ne gina for e parliamentary seat no e incumbent MP IFN honorable Patrick Bano ono e gina ene ye NDC PCA eye afi twa mu gina ye wanya na afi so wasan egina mu bi ma ye friend honorable Dr. Ebeneza Kwaku Ado ono etoso minu ene ye nia Patibano edukan afi na eye PC le che presiding officer ono wo eye CMB no wafa na second ma etwitwa eye ba people no still omo to ano no na wo hwie parliamentary gina bu am yet making kan ene ye result en sanka na mame mompia eye B4 no na menhwe omo so na hu so won sakin kan bi akoso pa na yɛn fɛ no so nsɛm enti antuja informa yɛtie for ɛwɔ YouTube ne despite media na yɛn hwɛ deɛ kɔ so ɛwɔ hɔ na ɛno nso wohwɛ deɛ kɔ so a presidential no MPP enya 127 NDC enya 150 rejected ɛyɛ 1 ɛna yɛwura ɛyɛ nana bebi ako enya mako enum 5 ɛno so ɛyɛ deɛ presidential akɔ so ɛwɔ CMB B sisi me no ka sɛ afi no mbeti ano hwe eye parliamentary one no no meti making kan nti o hwe de me gina yi here dia provincial results for eba no woko a ho na NDC enya 140 MPP enya 126 Alankas enya 2 Kofia Palu enya 2 4 rejected Uba Bina MPP enya 127 NDC enya 150 and Yenua the Yapo enya 5 and rejected enya 1 and only the Ensaka was sitting north the CNB said A and B Dimitri with many teams will see any other areas yakano here and also at the T4 or Mushe despite media and I say Mushe UTV any other phone now here the Sansom now to Junior Babusaya now and knocking kind of much as you were sitting up no the home Amanabo no more you see Yaku Chepentapunians are sent to be anywhere Amanabu Dicano SC.
Okay, you see if you be down walk or so I do any idea chedi be from baby so now one my shafoni a TF na and so artist ebusia for you free a certificate near baby boy ra ayawa so West Wogan Sabri Misaka Mark Baron ewa homa so makoto menka mema wajo
I'm Joso.
Okay, Sabri hefa pote ena wujina.
Yo, I also was going to see a meeting at University of Ghana, Legon Hall, police stations, I was Mako 9, and I was to see Liberal Naba. Students now are very aggressive, push counting, sorting, crana, Omanyabre, Ombushamubi. Omanyabre Papa, just about before there, Chama questions, among questions, I can and dear the move Papa counting, a bear as a test. Was also the airport to see a measure cry. Oh, no, Montan counting for. If you counting on the airport, I have no legal campus. There are so many water hall, your police stations, and also counting is underway. OSHA Commonwealth Hall, 1,000 year, and also 1,000 year. Now, like I said, I said, I shall counting. I said, so, my friend is not a big change. We are a Michelle, I have to be an apartment share. I say, as the call Jolu, as the call, I believe kind of say, it's the police station. And like I said, generally, no one said, apart from mornings now, once any pop football and a pattern and football, the trouble. Afterwards, so called billion to crowd, any pop football, trouble. For something and upon who sent for Fatua, non communal trouble. And we almost are not from. But for now, is a line be 5 police stations are now war at the link Methodist School Park. School no hot no more. And we only have better 2. Let me come back be a piaba to come back be a piaba to. And he interest you know we only have an exercise. But the go home the dinner is to sign a command or more after no my late. And so I'm about no bantam. After 5 o'clock, no, be a queue no bill. And then queue before that one. Right at 5 o'clock, no close to cruise. Oh, I'm close to about I say, is there a sorting no more counting no more. And also, other police stations, no so interest so very high. Was so sure. Mom to about no man coffee, almost 30. Okay, I can say, I believe to have the core any lab or leshi. I mean, now I was West Wogan. Now, Mom to about maybe not to take it off. The short about this time, our more county will also do it. And the need about the door from observable process. But we need to the interest in this election. For the eagle eye, the big county, let's cheaper. Osha police focus on the form person among the question, and now they are more plain some question. In the affair of my accounting, it means to be mom figures, yes, but the many actually in the never question, with the best idea about never call voter hall, call Commonwealth Hall, any other halls, no. Center Nankafa, for I was West Wogan, our University of Ghana Business School, in the hall. Listen, another possible. In Virginia, Matade,
Sapepe, that's a par a year McBaron, yet Seneca, if we Ayawaso West Wogan, Sabe, Yakoko Pimo, or Tamale Central, a year I could see Boache, I could see Memawajo.
Yeah, Minaba.
And the dear Tamale Central, or much way, and that's any penny binum edda so the queue more moto.
Yo, me dance no mama kwa me muni Tamale Central no Karaga Central.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yo, Matso Wadaro ho.
Oba Karaga Central yeah, around 4:55. And me many police stations ahodoa omo to aba no na ebi wo ha me kopie ho nenya dia omo ato abana wie biade ti se GA any LA ho school amanfo to aba ho me di mani kire ho na kire se nipa eda so di kiu mu pa aka ba sima enum ama ye di abato ni na abana wie ye no na enipa eda so edi kiu mu a omo edos pa ya bedru ni sabe 20 na omo entiment ye enti issue official ne bopne no no kire so omo di kiu ni mu die no nimbo pa ombema security officer na akwa akogina omo achi se na be ya omo nyina ebetimi ato omo aba nje se amene kese de ya de ho no eye DA any LA ho ne de aba no eda so ekoso a omo eto ni sanso de mani kire LC mani sinsu no na enipa ato aba no ye ni 500 plus a omo astarte eye nkrata ye de mo 100 no de to 600 no omo eto ewo ho no na sisi ano mababe piemu ewo eye yonu ba kwa efre ho no TB again ho no esi America say ya dia omo akan awie omo akan wie no ade a honorable answer ono ni dia no onya 182 finance minister onya 182 finance minister 182 omo 181 honorable Huhuuhu dandawa ono ebe tre so obeji akonya na fi honorable Adam Amin anta home enya 120 police station ye friend TB again yili ya kind parliamentary na VCC na honorable Adam Amin adudo na sanamrani anta Ghana's finance minister onya 182 votes and honorable Al-Hassan Huhuuhu dandawa inkane nipa no otiswa anta betu no ono enya 120 votes enti hanu ya kenkan ya wi ne damani ede a kire TB again yi police station bi ho na makwa akohwe ne ekoso anti so far no be de mababe pie ni de ahanko a de omatimi akan ya wi issue officials no akinka omokika bibia album no ndo mani akere collation center enche ombe ati akan presidential and so na yahu ne ebesi wa tini ebesi bia de bedba na hwefo ene ya chefo so hu ne ekoso ewa hasei
okay akwasi ye dasepa bomodia na fa wani edi echi de beko bia nso ye beba wo ho na wo de ho so amanebo aboyen lebusiafo ye akwasi buache edi free Karaga Central ena yetene kasa be ye kwakopie mu ewo asanwase Samson K Nyameche Samson what's make memo akwaba okay wadawo metwamfo nyini ewo asanwase emaye
yo be da
Sisi ayijna Central Mosque Islamic school and sisi yewe na polling station no make us a yakan presidential parliamentary sisi a wo mo kind and the mencha ho kra no memfa presidential no results no emfa into idwa abra wo mo kind parliamentary results no total registered voters 378 total votes cast 242 total votes cast 242 MPP 64 NDC 164 APC 1 New Force 1 Omo amakani nyina 000 rejected 11 and you know so far presidential on the akayewie na osha CDC ekaye no MPP 64 NDC 164 APC 1 New Force 1 rejected 11 Obama can presidential candidate in 0 so far the omo kan a parliamentary and no omo kan onimonyam for a Mubarak Bontaka Mohammed ono and a incumbent member of parliament one that is here omo kan ne de e wa hadom na answer on meka we no Central Mosque another polling station it is here make us say a parliamentary and the Oma no and no any parliamentary no MPP a we omo de anti a manaf in 92 NDC the end of Bokano and rejected a 6 so far no more I we no Ote de na kai Montaka Montaka votes and no na manfo de ewa ha no enti oti de na na say Mubarak Montaka and no na wo kai na supporters no any ajewa wo de ewa ho no enti ewo Central Mosque
nti next so mo guso o mo kai ko mo nwiye
omo guso mo di aje pa o ma kai a mo nya nwiye o ma kai Mubarak de mo nya nwiye eti omo o jubilate na ne wo mo say Aswase constituency there yeka save seat for NDC Ghana Aswase eka ho because the last 4 years Honorable Mubarak Montaka or the over 20,000 difference and a winner here and tinya dia news crampo ewa hanom every say NDC seat and kasa ewa hanom tibidi aba so far omo kai Mubarak dia no nya nwie bet omo kai MPP candidate no nya 92 and our presidential also President Mama former president nya 160
Samson, what's the name? Hello.
And so far, omo ye county, no omo nya nwie. Omo parliamentary, omo nya nwie. Presidential atoja ama yedika aka ho asem. Difference and so difference over 100. And you know and ekoso ewo Islamic Central Mosque akotia line. And na omo kai no. Igusu ayi wa no yehwe so mu wie na just say ya dey had ya no aba wie ya ya be move akọ different polling station enti igusu ayi kan no ewa Aswase igusu ayi kan no ewo Aswase Central Mosque na supporters and omoni age a omujubilate onimonyam for Mubarak Montaka votes omunyan kan wie ya kan ne opponent and I do only see a kind I am manef it is 141 for a year Montaka Mubarak 141 and a manaf so 94 and you know womu jubilate wa hano womu jubilate Central Mosque jubilation asase jubilation na asase no and so far ye wie police station wa hai ye wie a obo results na omo tablet ntibidia so ba sa edit ye wa hano ye de hade na ba wie nti ye be move akwa another police station bibia ni wade amo som e wo studio
Okay, ti neche say me share said the esi ekwo ye na abra no mo ken kan kwa utimu say supporters no kwa na agi ana mo kan ne kese e de ama ye anasa shefo mo fi omo share neche say asanwase Central Mosque ho na wugina sabe ti sabe wo fi ho no ma ehfa na wo de wani e kire Samson Ebusiafo Samson K Nyameche na yatene nkan na sabe ya wo fidi report free Asanwase Central Mosque wo so woni Ogusua ede nani ADH sabe ye fi Asanwase ye kwakopie mu Bantama me pato utemeka me mawajo. Oh, sorry, Mpacho, Yanko Banda. Okay, William Arthur. William Ewo Banda. William Memawajo. Okay, my Yensha Banda atmosphere ne to say easy for must start air county and now fail almost salty papers ne out and not say bino that's the queue more motor.
Yo, sir, Oba Banda constituency ha. Fi se abano estati se year today. I see boko. Nebo no pepe na various polling centers ni na no. Estati se omo epon. Nti no boy de na se obia eni kiu na efi ewia be no mienu e de ba hina de na centers bia mekobia no tumi se easy for normal relax here obia ko endi kiu ni nti majority of polling centers ni de meka se as about 3 o'clock no na dodo na etu ewie na sisi ame no ka say de me obonga say health center e na oma start sorting na oma start counting na sisi ame no e ka say no info no oma county e presidential no ewie na presidential no county ewie no NPP enya 125 na NDC enya 203 ewo presidential no ewo bonga say health center e if we have
hello William yes so wadaro matobo na sai sisu ebio mame wewo banda baby e wugina sesi ya no sai shase mame wadaro ma
okay me wo banda bonga say health center e na health center e no na oma ye amakinkan na kinkan no amakinkan presidential na presidential no NPP omu enya 125 na NDC enya 203 na spoiled ballot no 7 na independent candidate nana Kwame Bediako enya 2 sa NTA ewo banda bonga say health center e na ade ba ko pa mi hu ewo ha ne say ebi mu di abano a ballot sheet no omu form sakoinsi so omu di ye na no omu sa de omu sa bobo no omu sa de akose adaka nim onto emo bia it is spoiled ballot a say makuma ko 10 de enye so bi tu mienu anasa o to say no omu anfa omu sa ensi sukra eno enema ne the spoiled ballot no nti sisi mi free ha ni ko bonga health center e na makwa kohwe also na ifi wa ye beko ahinkuru no banda ahinkuru no where the constituency coalition center no na ye the constituency ni di na no de abra.
Okay, it's that HS presidential no more parliamentary ni de omunye banda Obogwase health center B no
debi afi no mo be parliamentary no eso.
Oh okay, you ene wadaroma for wani edi echema ye de beko bia so na wa mayaso ate. Okay, yeah, that's a publisher for William Atta and yet tenenka edi free bandano na sabe result no kakra aba enti maninsi so ema ashofo mo hye nyina yene nya be ma Samson Kenya meche etwetwen enkomo na now was Asanwase Central Mosque na ho ena ode etu dwa se ba parliamentary na say edikan one way kind parliamentary and sana presidential so far parliamentary na abano NPP enya 242 and NDC enya 378 enti the whole no eno one of the polling centers ni be over another one NPP enya 92 and NDC so enya 141 enti we say ene de ekoso honum ti wadaroma ye ne William Arthur enso atwetwe enkomo banda Bogwase health center B and also parliamentary, MPP enya 145 and NDC nya 203. Sebano spoilt ballota 3 and Cheddar or call as independent candidate also enya 2. It's in Nadia Honuguswa decision time. Aha. And the apostle ya battle won sem nyina ye de baba dash for ye can see so ye no hu to me say ye quality ni na wi a ye de betu just say party A party B and edin kan there be ye de say ye ma wo hu fi a wo hu say the AC cop say the AC hye no aha ye be wie no na electoral commission so wi a o de beba no na ni nyina wo de so ni ni a.
In the summer he's got 10 goals in all.
Manenyo obi amana wale no ada oba na bema oba obema o awale asem ni de dunya bebre ebi wadan fufuo ebi fifie ebi tu finsuo ebi fiwiem eye ahoho aya wakadi ku kwa na nanom si esna motokura ns no kura konkron akira ne be che de kaya na kwanta dem ma kwa amedi lab of family bema kwa anka na ni mi se lab bi wo kumasi ya no mo e twa ebi mu no kwasem se hodie test na enya de se oferi sawa ko hospital now doctor nakacho say ya de say wo bojem ana wo wa be so mi say wo ya de say wo bojem ya de bi to say typhoid afa hepatitis B and C diabetes aya si ya de cancer ye toni petri mu ye ye from ana fo be mem ana fo be kwa na be ko mi ya de na wo bi ana fo ke kaye ana HIV test na pesa wo ye ni nyina no wo betumi ahwede ama oba wonyem na pesa wo ni sa afa wo de yi afa no ye tafo ahina sa ana sa ahina nai afa wo pesa wo mi say ba ba wo no yo ba ma se be ma ni nyina mu wo ye menstro fi say abedila wo we ye ni wo di da so ye on fidi ama so ye de ye test wo do ni na bi kasi e di ade de che be hwe so fra ye o kuma se oforikro ye ni STC workshop na e de ti hwe ni mu ye ye adwuma fi to da e ko sig na me da ye number ni
0244 96 49 22 0541 143168.
Asafo yamamo akwaba eba Amedilab services any Amedi alternative clinic Amedilab services ni Amedi alternative clinic eye laboratory services ewo oporikom STC traffic light na say abra wo free krom eba tech junction no otra araga junction the next traffic lights wo opoku transport no o hwe winsani fa so a obehu Amedilab services ufi krom airport tech junction wo winsani fa so na ufi tech junction no so ba krom a wonya tra suso asunsuo na wo ya bedru SCC junction na wo hwe winsani fa so a winsa benkum so a obehu Amedi alternative clinic ni Amedilab services and then try ya de bremo no ya yen try afa infertility ho ana obi a ontimi wo Yeka infertility ana obi a wontimi nwa obroni beka say it's a period of 12 months of unprotected intercourse during which pregnancy is not achieved so oba ne be ma bedi nhyiemu eye busumi dumienu sans shemu no won bo won ho ban anka de opa free mu ani se e de eba beba mu so na onya ba ye hwe no wo ye society mu ana ye hwe no wo ye environment mu ana society mu a wo be hu se yinsen ya ade a nipa bebre apaacha omunya de omunya we nti na Amedilab services ni Amedi alternative clinic ye to nsan fra mu se obi bia yinsen ho aye de ama wo no obeba Amedilab services ni Amedi alternative clinic ni yetima yenhwehwemu afasa infertility issues we ho ni yetima ma wa kwankyere beboa wa ma wanya nyinsen awo yetima fa ho afa wo ba ye fa ni infertility na ase na emesima aka no abra obema ni oba bedi nhwemu busumi dumienu echi asa nhwemu no won bo won ho ban anka de opa free mu ani se eba bebem na so eba embem o fa ni infertility no aye o mu two types basically ye wo primary infertility ni ye wo secondary infertility ye ka primary infertility anacha se oba ne be ma no atena se ɛwɔ wɔn kwan nan mu a wadi nhyiamu ɛyɛ bosome dumienu ne akyire a nhyiamu no ɛmfa ɛba ɛnyɛ de ɛmba apɛn ɛne ne yɛfrɛ no primary infertility no na wofa secondary infertility na ɔbɛrima ne ɔbaa ne di nhyiamu a ɛde nyinsɛn anaa ɛba ayɛ de aba pɛn nanso saa nyinsɛn n'akyi anaa subsequently after that nyinsɛn no ɔmo atwa ya sɛ ɔmo saa bɛwu biom a ɔmo nya ɛdɛn ɔmo nya nyinsɛn no ɛno nso nyinaa yɛ problems a wode ba Amedi Lab Services ne Amedi Alternative Clinic a ebetumi di ho dwuma ɛyɛ den ɛde ama wo yɛmfa no nyinsɛn a nipa nya no mpɛn na so ɔbaa ne bɛrima tena ase na nyinsɛn ba ne yɛpɛ ne ntɛm ɛde apɛ ntɛm ebu asɛm no ne yɛde mfomsoɔ no akɔhyɛ ɔbaa no abere bi wɔ hɔ no koraa no so ne ntisa ansa na ɔbaa ne bɛrima betumi nya nyinsɛn no ɛwɔ nyɛma bi a yɛhwɛ no wɔ ɔbaa ne bɛrima ne mu a yɛmfa ne sɛ before sɛ nyinsɛn bɛhyɛ aseɛ no bɛrima no na on na initiate the childbearing process no enti sɛ ɔbaa no bibi a ɛwɔ ɔbaa no hu nam dua no hormone na ne bibi ayɛ okay na nsuo na efiri bɛrima no mu ba na yɛ nkwamwa na ɛwɔ mu no ɛne nsuo no ne su ɛne nyɛma bi a ɛhwɛ no sɛ wɔ fam a ɛde sɛ nyinsɛn yɛ de ebetimi aba enti wo ba Amedi Lab Services ne Amedi Alternative Clinic a ansa na yɛbɛhyɛ aseɛ mpo ayɛ saa infertility mu nhwehwɛ mu no deɛ di kan no yɛma yɛagye ana yɛ tension ɛba bɛrima no so yɛma ne yɛ test bi ɛfrɛ no semen analysis
okay sɛn na ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ hɔnom
we have a Medafu or Central. Central, and at that police station. But for some reason, we are out to police station here, where archive presidential now so far we are not only there, but also we have there. This we have a council of amount for
Isaac
180, 108,
and NDC, NDC, 180, 108, Ansarudin police station. Mini about Kabibi.
MPP, the another day, Kakao, Mtiman say MPP, you're saying, NDC saying, you're saying.
MPP enya 72.
Okay, Isaac Koso.
Ena NDC enya 180. NDC enya 180. Say them di kan way presidential. After no makan presidential area, omoba be parliamentary no so na omakan. Na police station ba ko amekoya ansa na meba ha say no. Ma me fa also results dey amount tem so na ye free enko be before. Ewo Okaikwe Central ha say ya asori down ho ewo Okaikwe Central ekọ MPP enya 124. Ena NDC enya 88. NDC 88 eno ye presidential no cheddar enya 2 and a movement for change era Alan Kojo Chematin enso enya 2 rejected 1 and for
from what I can say, I'm going to say, I'm going to say the Abaton is here for a friend of Mr. Akapao. I'm going to say over the years, MPC votes, Ireland, we talk for 200, 300, but this time one, MPC votes, I'm going to say, I'm going to say the Abaton is here for the year. That is the NDC votes, our police station, they are just Abato. If you almost say, maybe Abaton, everything Abato, various police stations. But so that we can, also know they have to have one of the presidential there and I'm a German. NPP and NDC then I'm NDC in 180 NDC in 180 and NPP in 716 NPP in 716 if you also will say the president candidate maybe I've been on the parliament room now on my time but let's say the nipa see about them to more say maybe I'm more set vote to council university alcohol I be and see any kind of be the any kind of you to say almost be the any kind up in the kind A also be the any kind of up in the time the kind A the let's two police stations then I want to say more echo about what say but the kind person also be police station up in the kind also be
Omo eto abano ase but the yakai first no Ansarudeen B police station
ya bema wo de ni e de che so de manfo eni age wo ho mu bose ni mobome no wadaroma fo ni de che nti bepam ye besan aba na ye ne wo asan atoa enkomo fo sabe de presidential no na so far no wo de ama ye sa Ansarudeen B ho and afia sorry down ho so the same okankwe ho central ho na wo de ama ye sabe Inti Isaac ena yetene nkano okankwe central so far results are abano Ansarudeen B NPP 72 NDC 180 eba no ninye presidential yeba sorry down ho e okankwe ho so NPP 124 and NDC 88 shada independent candidate onya 2 movement for change butterfly onya 2 rejected ballot A1 intina de wo hono no bemena
jumo ewo ahoma no so Pasha jumo hello Pasha timinga am say Pasha timinka papa enti yebehwe na homa na tum na afi yene no atwetwe nkomo afi bebia ogina eni de akoso ewo Imiye ko Saturn hello bi ono so ahoma no ati atom so be di ahoma na ye hye esan se edu ne kenkan
some pan I said I engage with Fred the results about so I said they are not forced to swear
Metro pot
that's all you know
I say Metro pot and na kwa ahoma no so we be bisa so why na o ma ahoma so hello Audi Bajo who can say in Southton ana
I Southton no kwaso connection here
nti bacho de wanya no fadi kan fa ho ama ne boma yansa na efofra connect odi aba
Okay. Because Southton constituency, so far results are in Saka. Sugakopo Southward, Area Center 2, Presidential, NPP in 10, NDC 150. Udia Engedism.
But also, Sumayodium.
Southton constituency, Sugakopo Southward, Area Center 2, Presidential, NPP 10, NDC 150. What 0?
Okay.
Southton Baptist Church Logo, Presidential, NPP 19, NDC 102. Others 0. Fourth ballot 0. Presidential Baptist Church Logo, Southton, NPP 19, NDC 103. Fourth ballot 0. Southton DA Primary School, Porticoca, Presidential NPP 14, Presidential NPP 14, NDC 225. Others 0. Fourth ballot 2. NPP 14, NDC 225. Fourth ballot 2.
Southtown Method B, Sugakofe Newtown. Southtown Method B, Sugakofe Newtown. Presidential. NDC 308. NDC 308. NPP 17. NPP 17. New Force 1. New Force 1. Rejected 2. Rejected 2. Performance Tribune. Report B, Sugakofe Newtown. Southtown Presidential. NDC 308. NPP 17. NPP 17. New Force 1. New Force 1. Rejected ballot 2.
Yanko Portia Jumoho Ewo Ayewa So Central. Portia.
Yes.
Bibia boko dia baby ujam de wanya no ma enko.
Me pass Ayewa So Central there. Yes, but yeah, Baba close here, Baba fight me mono. And I enter I see between the baby and this night Ayewa So Central open space, polling station A and B. Now, almost closely as 40 at a county about it, between polling agents for party polling agents for any police officers or more present. Polling officers, only one particular party agent at our for many information and cinema created by almost 40 at almost sorting and counting. Police station A and B, there's a moon now for someone counting both. And our polling agents almost me master because if you are maybe Akasakasa and understand if you are back. Then no people in Tokata credit police station A B Ayewa So Central open space police station honeymoon. That station let's start counting total registered voters police station B 280 and you can say 280 police station B total registered voters and now in conform move to buy 239 and here we are about one for presidential candidates not NPP NPP has 59 our police station B NPP has 59 and our NDC and now 169 and 169 and our independent presidential candidates are the new force and now 1 which is total vote cast at the year 239. You see, because of Akasakasa in county parliamentary candidate for the but the patrol the BBC member was last while.
What figure is having given academy there? Police station, any be removed when out there money.
The patrol police station is here and maybe a mouse.
See, figure on my beam.
Because our police station B, total registered voters are petition from the 280. That about 239. But what in can? And our NPP are 69. And our NDC order number 8 and now 169 159. And our independent presidential candidate, the new force and now 1. It is total vote here 239. County parliamentary candidate for the NDC.
You better say now you do see a portion of Ubesiani Aquapia Hall Quesimin team. Appear Otiminka, Memorajo, baby Ojan saying I cost Quesimin team.
Baby, I'm glad you hire Boko, Quesimin. Nasia na pa a proba your coin in Arano. Minaya Boko. The baby had in a work and St. Anthony JHS. NCP now 119 na NDC 114 new force now 11 and now you go ya had a work and special voting also na NCP now 97 na NDC now 151 if you see how you baby for so now oboko di biara no yes bra ya na asafo na wa
and sinanka isi duman bi wanse na yekwa ankobayam dawo.
Oh yes, St. Anthony collected, they said. NPP now 119, NVC now 146, and a new force now 11. Now, what kind of special voting for NPP now 97, NVC now 151.
Okay.
We have to be so fair, but one last one.
Yada se ewo ho na chese kwasimintim de ensa kano NPP 119 and NDC 146 and a special voting no NPP 97 and NDC 151 eno na yensa kan edi efi ho kwasimintim yebeka ya hwefo se ho ewo atoy mantemu takrade en mpatem eneno efi ho eti aba na jese yegusua eji resource no na yedi mamo de aba ye mobi echi emfama woko Southton a si na yensa kan ewo ho de aba polling station B MPP 17 NDC 308 and a new force 1 rejected 2 and Southton wana so polling station Bakono MPP 14 NDC 225 and other parties will be rejected no 2 see and every Southton so aba yebo actually eti amamo na ya hedi akoso na Southton wana so no MPP 10 NDC 150 and Ubia Enyebi and Kaino Southton wana so police station no say NPP 19 NDC 102 and other parties no Ubia Enyebi rejected back okran so ambemu say and ekoye ewo eho enso
say a share so far reporter and say kama come here say turn out to know
one more abano say mako miensa so far presidential no eho ena womo aye adruana say omo enu womo area womo gusua parliamentary ne so na omo enya enwie eno na captain said ya kan ha no say edoso mesai manya JHSB center na ha no say so no NPP enya 144 NDC so enya 144 NPP ni NDC omu nyina enya pe ewo hawa kumsin biaya wono eto aba obi aka ne se ehanum sei no biaya wonya abatopa NPP so na NDC ni NPP nyina achemu mienu ewa ha new force enya 3 New force enya 3 na afe Alan so enya 1 womo aka ne de enti ayamo wo mudin no womo enya baako kra womo enya enunti na ya ha ye ho na yamo wo mudin no enti no counting na eda so a ekoso ewo ha say enti no sorting no na womo sesi yi omo sorting no na womo wia na fe parliamentary no omo the counting no ahyehyɛ so omo nya sorting wie ye na omo accounting mpo no yansai enko biaye foforo enti no say na ha no mo say party
all right equiati ma woni wie kire omo hye ase se omo kan I think say how for no omo de Perrin and 2000 Emra Hawa Yakubu Ogede Enwene Boko Central Deba Parliamentar Omapeni Dada John Ajokum Kufo no tourism minister no Ewo Boko Methodist Primary B J Kufonya 122 Professor Milsinya 122
112
yes 122 122 That's the 2000 elections. That's the first round. 122, 122. Aha. That time now, turnout over the entire region was about 84.9%. And if I to be Pia Bontin, Echo to Abano and so Ewoho. Woshe Kaswa and ne Potema. Youth Ewo Kaswa no. Enfili abayno ena kakra so efili MP no.
I see.
Kaswa youth no. Omo sheda mfili aban no.
Oh, okay.
Because they think that abana no more ending ye.
I see.
Aha, abana no more ending ye. But kakra so fili MP mum rather. Say yan woman anye careful. How Kumsin votes because Rachan Baumia votes.
And it's going to also be affecting big time. So I've been able to see our Ashanti region. Also, in Ashanti region, most of the MPs do not care. Say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so we knew, but they care about their seats. In Jombe try as much as they can to protect themselves. No more to me actually more seats there no. Omuja secure we are and sana. Omotumi Akwakohia said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, is he coming in or he's stepping out? And that is one of the most significant issues is here in the and you realize that most of the places as a result of start to say you realize that MPs need be vote the presidential because I feel way in Ashanti region about the fresh candidates any other region in the country. And of course, we'll say 47 constituencies. Ashanti region were about more than 13 fresh candidates. Try as much as they can. Who say MPP but I am the typical traditional seats at the NPP. They will go down there and appeal to the people. And mind you, say those fresh candidates Tabada abane very unpopular now all those fresh candidates in association and former or more patcho at least no metro abandon farmer sometimes now Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na Dr. Akufo-Addo because of the way almost say ayo money manity now as a move to me and it is one of the reasons why here ama Ashanti region I feel Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia more Nana Akufo-Addo in 2020. A day before the general election, Nana Akufo-Addo holding 3 rallies in Ashanti region, i.e. Meshia, Shayeso, Meshia North and South, and Shayeso in the Ashanti region 2020. Now, Osha, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia last Sunday, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia sang Ashanti region for the last time, and I don't know more than 20 times within this period. Sometimes not John Dramani Mahama so honomo and Samira Bawumia so honomo obu fi honomo na Alan Kojo Chiremate ekosi omochi obu bunuasa de egu achire and of course it will come to play because Alan Kojo Chiremate ANPP are next whether you like it or not or ANPP are next and the vote na ebeba no free the typical NDC for honomo NDC for person will gain power so Alan Kojo Chiremate vote meja no a split vote from the NPP. Some members of the NPP are moving ebufu ya. Almost among contraband. So, contraband Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia there. Ometrama Alan Kojo Chiremate. Mind this, Omujato ma Alan Kojo Chiremate. They will vote for their parliamentary candidate instead of their presidential candidates, and that is the reason why here Ebema MPs no votes akosro the Ashanti region actually the presidential because Okotuma Alan Kojo Chiremate Alan any parliamentary candidates Ashanti region more mundu 4 parliamentary candidates almost supporting Alan how we when you said they are supporting Alan mundu 4 and you for room Atwanwa Beja North Pe and more Ashanti region but so those people no a typical NPP for so we to abana or better Alan no matter what to parliamentary, they are APP parliamentary candidate own. On the top of Moankasa parliamentary candidates and their presidential candidate, but MPP then they best split it. It's for the first time, results they start to say about you will see say NPP presidential candidates no vote to submit as against the parliamentary aspirant because some there be a more form no more juma. Maybe to say Swabi, for instance, lawyer John Darko. I feel about for the first time. Jahbless Abusu at Nahonomo for 28 years. It's your leverage on the fact that okay, Jahbless Abusu or the modern bonnet to say, and I did put Juma and or their Swami over the years. All those ones will come to play, but see another day. Jahbless Abusu apart from
all right, Yanko Bija analysis now we in Yemi Depa. 1996, the NDC said all out, both parliamentary and presidential. And in 2000, the NPP also did all out, both parliamentary and presidential. And the NDC 2024 all out parliamentary and presidential. But the Yankwatman Wabija.
North and South.
Lipson, Ewo, Bebusan or South.
Okay.
Sir Oba Ebetua, so say Lipson, what's a menka, Madwe?
What's up, Major also captain?
Nabibia Bocordia.
Namiada, Mabibia, Boko, Ewo, Achimang of the just town.
You, I'm a penny that I could for constituency, bombing come on.
All right, Captain, I'm a fan of the year. You know, you're poor for your honor. Yes, sorry, Eddie. Sorry, Eddie. Echo. The Bibia, once my say, Yanko, Yankofa, and family, Yasha 40 years before. The copy of Achimang of the just town, you know. Play Jamaica, yeah. Achimang for you, I think that is why PPR rate exactly but that line or more
listen, what can be a listen, what can be hello, Lipson. Hello, Lipson.
Try
Lipson and men can have him call a year bono na mene kwabena ebisa and toi suye kwabena what a come adwe hello kwabena kwabena and timenka wo eti jebi from the na o kano very important and
if I call the same Atlawa Bija now so Atlawa Bija South in North South one more Benito Busubio. And it's one of the longest serving MPs, but on no low key. Last 4 years. Hey, now deputy minister. Why deputy minister true?
I mean, for Kwabena bisa na yentua so yebaya na afi what day atwan wa bija de na toa so. Kwabena madwe.
Captain Joseph.
Pacho toa so.
Yo, Captain said when I am on a pallet with the Jumadina Association, and some very idea, Jumadina, any other way. Now, some of the idea of Mugusua or more Kayambano, now, some idea of what to be every and start at the Yakabi. Now, I have the Diameter rural development store, Victoria Park, A2 police station results, not having Misaka. Now, over presidential now, NPP, 4. GCPP 0, GFP 0, G Boom 1, LPG 0, NDP 0, CPP 0, NDC 6-8, APC 0, Kofi Kurantin Independent 0.
David Jabutrema, what's a man Kwabena?
Captain Toga.
Aha, Toba Sabonibium, Chassis, Kakaka.
Presidential NPP 94.
Call
GCPP 0. GFP 0. Boom 1. LPG 0. NDP 0. CPP 0. NDC 68, APC 0, Kofi Kurantin 0, George Chum Barima 0, Nana Kwame Bediako 4, Alan Kutocha Martin 1. The total vote Katrina AF 169.
Very low turnout.
And 1 air rejected. So in all, now expect to say Nipa 385 beto abano, but at the end of the polls no to do it to abano 169 na abano parliamentary no so a kwesi amia treme ono no ye incumbent MP eba ye no ono no enya 56 Said Mubarak NDC ono onya 75 Ransford entry. I don't know independent. I know 36. Anna Sampana something. I don't know APNC
on also enya 0. At the end of the day, no, he rejected 2 rejected ballots. And total votes cast equity 169. It is OBPMO our Victoria Park Hanomoa. Victoria Park Rural Development Store, Victoria Park A2 results are APMOA. Now, a can listen to air quality. Captain, all right,
so that is the polling station now you call, and you could tell, sir, now NDC parliamentary candidates no are very popular. No more friend Sunyane JJ.
And because those are presidential, no, the NPP nya what seems a drew parliamentary SOT.
SOT because
NPP 94.
That's right.
That's the presidential, but they drew parliamentary no.
We got 56.
58 or 56.
56.
Oh, okay.
We got 58 or 56.
SOT.
SOT. Let's send my way.
So, Captain.
Now, na me busa so ma kan bie wo ho awie.
Nyame adom omode abanto no nyina abawie. Ya baby amedwuna no eye the party deba. Market honum and Amina. Over Hanoma, your polling stations are and 9 and whatever Hanum. If you are there 1, 2, 3. For now, I have with me the results are there 1 and 2. I'm making the up to Jamaica.
Achuman will be just south.
If I saw Achuman will be just south.
Okay. Patrama into you.
Okay, it's something. The Oko at the moment we just the party. There by Honum no, here Edikaya, police station 1. Police station 1, there by no. At the end of the election, another counting no, you will say, Seda, Nana Kwame Bediako, Onya 2. Yansuna, Boom, and so Enya 1. Also independent candidate Alan John Kojote Martin and also Enya 2. Ghana rejected ballots no and so Aya 4. Hello.
Still Kasa.
All right. Now Okosema by NDC any NPP no presidential NDC Enya 70 and NPP Enya 209 and the ano and a year there by 1 result if we on after the council no by the call parliamentary so a nipa me no pe fairly say or no and NPP for Edio no no in fact a year account area no say enya 213 NDC parliamentary candidate a year wisdom or say and so enya 70 and I rejected ballot so a year 3 and no and I yesaka ewo polling station a year 1 no ye got 2 and so polling station 2 and also yesaka ye and it's NDC enya 96 presidential NDC 96 NPP enya 368 CPP enya 1 the new force and so enya 8 boom enya 1 Alan Kodetia Martin enya 1 and rejected ballot and so a year 7 and no and yensaka edi esi honum aba parliamentary no omokutua omokan eti yensaka ya the best more.
Mamida Selepsing, now when India Chombo Buanu in Arena polling agents in us and sign we are now Wamaya Swati. Oh, share results now if you hold banana, like you were saying. We are typical Ashanti region.
Yes,
Wabija.
Yes.
Sir Mohammed Vinya 70 or as against 209.
Yeah.
Whereas we share the same constituency. First time in 2000, first round, second round. What about the highest NDC? A23.
Yes, because I remember we just searched for instance.
23 votes. Oh, there were one. NDC. Enya 23 as against 600 plus. Today, NDC was 70. Yeah. MPP do 300.
Yes, 200. Because I mean the good people of Ashanti who say and mind you, I remember we just out by just 2020 yeah. So the first member of parliament or just one temper. Or call one term one constituency or call the Brantan chasing
out.
Yes, and now or call prime minister was also Lucy. It is now the people do not care about whoever the MP is. Or call near the fresh one about one or maybe near the number. Or by near the number or campaign because of a so-called parliament. As against the presidential aspirant, because Ahonomono doesn't look too good enough. Jeffrey had a lot of hopes. Now for done yepa, no more done yepa, but Ocean the way I see treat you about 2029, they felt extremely disappointed. Extremely disappointed to the extent that on one constituency occurred two different places. Neither the Branta and the Chesino. Out of the constituency, which doesn't look too good for a first-time member of parliament. Now,
police station 1 to Pilo, and police station 2, and one resource. Governor Airport Pro, Akoko police centers are audio. Now a whole resource. So I told
Uraba Mia in 73, and Urama Hamania 184, 184. Na ikono parliamentary nusra. Ini abema Valentino Nino onunya 103 and I am amizinato enya 159 na I call police station chacho bibi amewe ya eno cinema or 3D the corner presidential na uraba omia enya 76 and Mahama enya 178 na I call parliamentary nusra Nino Valentino enya 94 votes 94 and I am amazing NATO enya 163 and so far no the argument na bani wiye ama bibia aye kama awa hase moga bisa na nya ekoso hanan
Peter Kwati e beda say e wa mane ba wo di free e kolekulote abeto mpeso aso won kramantemu e de man haye your election
ya be kan ya hye no say omo a
provisional
yes provisional results ye mamono e basa enya se wotie si abonte akudubule
Moko collation center
ho Moko collation center ho why yesrem pa asase e na ntoni no
say ya no mfo ne pese omodi
31 Call
NDC 173
Patroko 1 LPG Kofia Palu 1 ko
omo akanya na zalo
Meda say from 0 nugu ncha yenko parliamentary Kutukrum
MPP 41 NDC 172 Independent candidate 2 call
Kutukrom 2A. The first one A1, where 2A.
Kutukrom 2A.
With the polling station 2A.
Okay.
MPP
47.
MDC
153. Parliamentary
MPP
49.
NDC
165.
Independent candidate 3. Kutukrom 2B.
Kutukrom 2B. Katie.
MPP. MPP 28.
NDC 178.
178.
Boom 1.
Call.
Omakani 000.
Call. Parliamentary. MPP 34. 34. NDC 179. 179. Kutukrum AB. Kutukrum AB. All right. Presidential MPP 29. 29. NDC 172. 172. Rejected 3. Udejeno Yenko. Parliamentary MPP 28. 28. NDC 176. 176. That's it. You're my 4. Where Axim Krum? Azim constituency. That's right. Krum Hope. Yeah. That's it. Eti Kutukrum Ewo Axim Ankasa proper first polling station Kutukrum MPP 31 NDC 173 and then parliamentary 41 for MPP and then 172 for the NDC. Kutukrum 2A MPP 47 NDC 153 parliamentary NPP 49 and then NDC 165. Kutukrum 2B NPP 28 NDC 178 and then parliamentary NPP 34 and then NDC 179 and then Kutukrum AB NPP 29 NDC 172 and then parliamentary 28 for the NPP and then 176 for the NDC. So if you look at this analysis, what me who say polling station Bakope ena John Mahama enya bi a chain and a parliamentary candidate, meaning that parliamentary candidate, you know, much more popular. Eti Kutukrum polling station Nankasa. Jomama first one 173 and then the parliamentary candidate in 172. From there, no, all the other polling stations in Jomama 153 back home, and then the parliamentary candidate in 165 back home, then back 178, and then the parliamentary candidate in 179, and 172 for JM, and then 176 for the parliamentary candidate, and then from there, no, that particular Axim Ankasano. And yeah, honorable opposition. That's right. Ehono, akoye.
But because you share voting results na eba ne turn out na menye sure say Alan say na ye need that so betimi aye niema no even in Ashanti region menye sure say e bedrusa
kanona brapeni na brapeni mpeso beti ase
so brapeni guzuka
mean capture you
because looking at results bano Alan timi nye hwe on to
what yenko K2 South na yane Sylvia and Twaso. Sylvia, good evening and thanks for joining us.
Good evening to your viewers.
You did so well last night.
I'm blessed, thank you.
I guess you were tired.
You can sense this from my voice.
All right. So tell us what's happening there.
Okay, so voting has ended at almost all the polling stations at 5 p.m. as directed by the Electoral Commission. But with the new policy that only the pin sheets will be sent to the collation center. So currently, political parties have signed their pin sheets and they are handing it over. Police agents are also cross-checking. Currently, I'm standing in front of the Aflau District Police Command or Headquarters, where the election officials are bringing their voting materials together. I want you to see how they are processing everything. Currently, they are putting the voting screens and ballot boxes into this long pickup over here, and some are taking the pin sheet to the collation center. So as you can see, the voting screen and other voting materials are in the pickup, getting ready to transfer them to the EC office. This year's election, they will not be sending the ballot boxes to the collation center, but rather the pink sheet. So Ketusa residents are also gathered over here observing what is going on, and this is it's almost the exact venue where the incidents occurred yesterday.
Okay.
You can see from the road the incidents occurred from the far end yesterday, and this is just the roadside. So some residents are gathered over here observing the process and how the election officials are packaging the ballot boxes to the EC office. And you can see from my shots that security officials are present over here. Some election officials do not know where the ballot boxes are going. So some other individuals here are directing them. So this is basically what is happening over here. Security personnel are escorting. They are escorting the ballot boxes. I can see some individuals believed to be from the National Democratic Congress eagerly escorting the ballot boxes and the pin sheet. I don't know if you want to speak to me on camera. Oh, okay. So this gentleman does not want to speak. Daddy, good evening.
Fine.
We are live on Onia TV.
Onia TV. I know will speak English. I will speak English.
Okay, so you can go ahead.
Normal.
Okay.
Nusha nu yiji ni de fine. Tukara de kemejo le aplau allocated
Okay, so he's just telling us that today's election went peacefully, as many people or others were anticipating violence and clashes on the day of election. Nothing. I can testified that there was no violence recorded at any of the police station, and he is glad that voting has ended peacefully and everyone is going about their daily activities. The road is very busy this evening, and I'm not sure many of them will want to speak to us in the interview.
Sylvia, do you have any results from the polling stations that you visited today?
Yes, so I visited some number of polling stations. Earlier on, the communities in the border, at the border communities, they recorded a very low turnout today, where they were expecting 683 voters to turn up, only 158 turn up as at 3 p.m. And many people did not turn up at many of the polling stations. From the result that I'm starting collating, it looks like the Ketusa constituency still hold NDC at heart, because from 20 police stations so far out of the 293 police stations I have personally collated, the NDC is leading, the presidential John Dramani Mahama is leading, and as well as the parliamentary candidate Jifa Gomashe is also leading. If you can see from our platform, I've shared videos of some children jubilating on the streets of Aflao, indicating their pleasure at the turnout of event this result this evening.
Okay.
They were shouting, singing Mahama and Baumia, and speaking to them, they said they are happy that Ablajipa Gomashi, the incumbent MP, is leading in the result collation so far. In some of the polling stations, that Jipa had results of 200. Honorable Samuel Haliga, who is the parliamentary candidate for the MPP, is having 35, somewhere 20, somewhere 15.
Sylvia. Hello, Sylvia.
Is having 200 and plus.
Hello, Sylvia.
Yes.
I'm sure you have the names
yes,
of
I
the
can hear you.
I'm sure you have the names of the polling stations that you visited and the numbers that correspond with the various candidates. So kindly do me a favor, take your time, mention the name of the polling station, the candidates and their corresponding figures.
Okay, so you give me some few minutes.
All right, thank you so much, Sylvia, for your time this evening. We'll come back to you for that details. Now, Yabasa ko baby foforo na fe yako akobonkomo Ashanti region voter region enka ho this year. Yohani, what me come ado?
Yeah, me do show captain.
Bibia boko Southton.
Na me adom bibia eyeboko.
All right.
Southton no. Na ohia sisi ame no kasa mi wo so pe PCG. So pe PCG. Ena mi wa me no say Nyame do bia ateme akọ wano ama boni bia yewie ye no na kese yewo police station A B C awo ahanom na yewie ye kanye nyina ebom no NDC enya 805
awo polling station hall. Our polling station hall. Police station you deemed the same.
Police station A, B, C.
Okay, so PCG A, B, and C. Okay.
Yeah.
So
A 299. 299.
Okay. Nyase Jabotre Mame. Yenko polling station A. MPP Nyase. Tobo Asim. MPP Nyase or polling station A.
NDC Enya 209.
Okay.
299.
200 and saying.
Southton Sope PCG. Police station A. I had 299.
299. Okay.
Yeah. And over MPP. Also I had 13.
Okay.
And over police station B.
Okay.
NDC I had 202. 202.
Okay.
And over MPP Bia I had 10.
10.
10.
Okay. And then C.
T.
C, you're saying, me too.
C, NDC, I had 304.
304.
304, Captain.
And then the MPP?
And MPP, still, I had 10.
10, all right.
NP, Oka, Nina, Ebomwa, NDC, our 805. 805.
805 for the NDC. And then MPP?
And MPP, I had 33.
33, all right.
33.
All right, Mami, no, I say. Please go on, Koso.
Okay, we do parliamentary. We do parliamentary one na I say I kakra because two Captain Pacho Beba.
Brana ye twen. It's what you ye na fe min Thomas Can ho e wo Cape Coast na fe ye share what's actually happening e wo Cape Coast and I said the medical catch no. When you betna e be bodum ye no. We can tell you something. We'll be telling you parliamentary candidates are perform by midnight. Thomas, what etman kama mo adwe?
Yo, Captain, it's me Jodo. Let's on tapa.
Na igwe tedane.
Captain, eventually kept with CCR, Oyaza, Ebba, the coastal side of Cape Coast, the Castle area, London Bridge, another Kingsway area, Oyaza, jubilation and Katana was start to her, all because Oyaza, the NDC. It looks like all the results are what, but so far, Oyaza NDC will it actually maybe today, people start to Honma, and one over 2 polling stations. I have a presidential and NPP near 120, and NDC near 206. That's the next to be my NPP near 120, NDC near 206. Only a presidential. Now, rejected ballots are open 9 ballot papers. And a program of parliamentary, that is category 1, another category A now. And a tata is the MP for Cape Coast. The NPP candidate in only 126. And NDC candidate, the incumbent MP, George Ketu Reketegan, only 204. Into 125 for any tata, and then 204 for Ketu Reketegan. And independent candidate, shoot over more perimeter onto Onya 6. And rejected ballot into 6. Now, actually, a month with the way when you are doing there, middle now, Fisher folks are working time there. What food here, NTT, because of community tribunal, you have been what had the want to team for briefly, Mammy Pacho, live work on your TV, Pacho Bosing check, what for the name. And the moon that when you are Papa, community.
I'm not going to take it. What was the war has to exit again? The one I just get Brian and Mukoma. And that you for a comedian, but I have to talk for being a go. So, what's up? Start watching. And what I put I can make the one.
Okay, all right. Captain, actually, you probably when you are was citing one, the reasons why what two tier, the NPP, what two my NDP. Yeah, the whole, Kingsway, actually, make sure, right there, show one, NDP, I want to ever keep put quite a number of the people are all, pick up because actually, some went to downtown people, I have to come back for a day there. I have a new Japan amount when you are what's there. Results of what you trying to win. If it comes to you, now the other polling stations results, as and when they come in. If the extra people on your screen, and there, I have that.
May I say Thomas Khan, all the way from Cape Coast. I am picking a signal, but one year careful, a lawyer blade, but when it's second year, and a year started discussion here can say, for the very first time in the last 16 years, NDC when it's second year seat, and it's pointing to that direction. I can't just 8 polling stations, but he's still leading with over 3,000 votes. So let's hold it there. This is provisional. We're not here to, And then things are happening at Gumwa Central, and Mameno Anye Kefla A+ will become a member of parliament. This is provisional.
But we're quite here. Long overdue.
And 1996, a play off properly. MPP Wanye Kefla Utwinya 125 seats. I've told you already. Because it's 1996-2000 playing off.
Kojo mention
Peter Mewu.
Yes, A+ will be the abase or winning.
Peter Mewu lose the seat.
I may upon.
And you see, Yakatwas a higher battle Australia. We told you from and Saturday. Yakatra Thursday they say Upper East MPP anya careful benya 0 seats. Voter region MPP benya 0 seats. And then maybe omote if you voter region hono MPP anya careful obenya 0 seats. Central region MPP anya careful obenya between 1 and 12 seats out of all the total seats. And Greater Accra, big heads will roll. Big heads in Greater Accra will roll. Now, you do baby, results neighbor. It's with the Nyanwa Botreboko. Embo 11 will be able to smoothness level.
Don't sleep. Don't sleep.
Don't sleep.
Wake
you
up.
Come. But come on Facebook. Those of you come on Facebook. So TV this is so bra. Bra. Now yintimi. And with him, go more for the very first time. Any upgrade this year elections. Because JB, for my number of years I'm at Gumwa.
Put to be a mahoda.
Any meko Gumwa this year. Mako 17 times. Mako Gumwa 17 times this year. And Gumwa for that year who has to say what the Oba Ekuja Hohwa. I have Fred Busa and Sauban who to say.
Yeah.
And this is what is going to happen. Gumwa West will fall and will slip from the hands of the NPP again.
And I'll be happy for whoever wins.
Gumwa.
Yes, A+.
A+. Or maybe I'll grant you Gumwa Center. They can Gumwa West. Gumwa West will go to NDC again.
Okay.
Gumwa West will go to NDC.
And I'll be Gumwa West. That is Richard Jan Mesa.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
I'm school son.
Oh, sir.
Me wa secondary school, me wa SS3 now SS2. Oba na school son no.
I'll be happy. So
and what they are not to nchen Greater Accra ebe akono say
Greater Accra.
Greater Accra.
So Greater Accra NPP will just 14 seats.
Almost 14.
And this would
they may lose about 4 more. But the Yanko Electoral Commission, one more year press conference, Nafe, Yemfa a EC, Emra, one more year press conference, Omeka Niama Bakumi, Nubia Coco, Swano, who feel say, na Emfanukem, and they say results, no, I started by appealing to all of us to be calm. Nyabutre, Yankofa a Electoral Commission for more press conference. We'll be right back.
1 or 2 pockets of violence, which unfortunately resulted in the death of 1 person. It is unfortunate this should not have happened. Whilst you mourn with the bereaved family, we want to put it on record that this unfortunate act did not occur due to an action or inaction on the part of the Electoral Commission. Our staff, we appreciate them so much for the good work done, for the show of high level of professionalism. The agents have also cooperated well, but we continue to urge them to do so throughout the collation exercises up to the final declaration of the results. Media has also done your job greatly in a very professional manner, and we appreciate that. You help us to unearth fraud practices, which is very good. But we want to continue to work professionally and also urge you to always, I want to emphasize, ensure that the results you declare is the same as the results you announce is the same as what the Electoral Commission has declared. So kindly all the time before you put your results in the public domain, kindly cross-check with the Electoral Commission. Our call center is there, our website is there, and anytime, any moment you call, we will respond to you and then give you the needed information. We are so grateful for you, and we wish you to continue to be with us throughout the exercise until we have declared finally the winners of this election. Thank you very much.
At this point, we would like to invite 5 questions as usual. If you have question, may I see your hand?
Thank you very much. My name is Elton Broby. I work with Joy News. You reference what possibly could be a high voter turnout. Are you able to put a figure to it? Because the result we are seeing, or the figures we are seeing, rather suggest a low voter turnout. And is there any update on the Atebubo or Kintampo South, temporary employee of the EC that was picked by the police for electoral malpractices? Thank you.
Yes, good evening. Mawina with TV3. You've spoken to the process thus far and everything that's transpired. What many would describe as a critical process after the voting is where we're in at this particular point in time. The Commission has assured continuously that it has provided all of its polling station presiding officers with necessary equipment for possible light out and all of that. I'm just drawing or bringing to the attention of the Electoral Commission a report from my colleagues in the Ayawaso North constituency of lights going out and what appears to be challenges with ongoing counting and then sorting and counting. I want to know if the Commission has any updates with respect to challenges from that particular constituency.
Good evening. My name is Edward Akwa, Ghana News Agency. So you indicated that some constituencies counting is ongoing. Can you share with us what resulted in the delays in counting and where are these areas respectively? Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Fauzu Masaudu. I work with CTFM and Channel 1 TV. I just want the Commission. So throughout today's series of presses, the Commission has been very heavy on the process thus far. But I just want to find out if the Commission has a quantitative data of irregularities, anomalies, and then when a question was asked earlier about security, for instance, the Commission made it clear that the Commission was not in charge of electoral security. But we cannot also dispute the fact that the police service, the observer missions and whatnot, they are, for the lack of better expression, auxiliary stakeholders in the electoral, management body. I just want to find out if you have picked any observation or if you've picked any feedback from them about the process thus far. So first, the quantitative data, if readily available, and second, any particular details you've picked from these stakeholders that you would want the public to know, the media.
Okay, thank you. My name is Akol Moses. I'm a correspondent for Bloomberg. Just to expand on what my other colleague inquired, a place like Medina, there are reports that it had rained and so voting had somewhat been halted. Can we get any updates on that? And if that means that there will be any extended time for the process? Thank you. And Anyaso Tium as well, I'm just told.
Hi, good evening. Please, my name is Sally and I'm with Kasi TV. So currently there is a confusion at the Tema Central Royal School JHS due to a sudden light out. I want to know, how does the EC prevent any tampering or manipulation of the results with the votes cast? Thank you.
Bless Kokwalo Maso, Pan-African TV. In the earlier press briefing, one of our colleagues asked a question and then you guys were heavy on specifics. Would the Electoral Commission was heavy or has been heavy on specifics? Can the Electoral Commission as well be specific in terms of figures? You're telling us that voting concluded in 95% of the polling stations. Which polling stations, can you give us information on that? Which polling stations have voting not concluded? Also, you're talking about a few flashpoints. Can we also get information of the names of these areas where there's been some violence. Thank you.
All right. So you better go back to the Electoral Commission. Yakoje update.